come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. That just hit me that I thought, wow, this is exactly what VR is. That's what we build. And if you look back on our work, when we worked on Across the Universe, and our team created all these beautiful sequences that took you to different worlds, bringing that into VR is this really exciting time that you can bring all your pure imagination into reality now and really interact with it.
Design is design. No matter what the problem is, we approach everything as a creative challenge.
Once we know what we're doing for budget and everything, we have a design process where we have to formulate what we're going to do.
Everything we do sort of starts from the creative down.
It's like a kitchen. There's the main chef, that's kind of the leader part of the team. And then you have all these other people in charge of different departments. And so everyone's working on pieces.
We have the most creative minds here with all different disciplines, but they all gel together in a symbiotic way.
Everybody comes from a different background.
We've got people making 3D models, and we've got another team creating the spaces and the environments. And so all those kind of come together to one technical developer in the team that puts it all together.
You got to be able to take all these creative ingredients and keep them going on this one path. And then you have to identify who's really good at what and kind of celebrate what they're good at.
It is an ever-changing and organic process that there's no one formula for.
And then you try to draw out of them the best possible work.
Difficulties in taking what we've done in design, visual effects world, and TV world and bringing that into VR, it's been very frustrating. It's not as easy as you think. We can't just pull in some of our 3D models that we're used to working in our visual effects sequences. Like, let's say we worked on Star Trek and we want to bring in the Enterprise. Well, that's built with like millions and millions of polygons, and that's just way too big.
Since this is so new, we definitely have to always try out the newest hardware. So as we're going, we're learning. And that itself makes it more difficult.
A lot of the steps are actually very similar. What ends up happening is you have this sort of additional layer of layout in Unity or some other interactive-based program. And then you'll also have the programming side of things, where you need to program certain capabilities into the game or the app that you're doing.
If you want to see the future, you have to invent it.
That's one of the exciting things that we're doing, is basically bringing the data visualizations we did in Iron Man to life and creating a new way of working in virtual reality.
I always fantasized that I could somehow work in an augmented reality situation like that. I want to put the headphones on or the gear on, and I want to do my work. I want to make shit.
Sometimes you say to yourself, are we investing in the right thing? Should we just focus on what we know how to do and we know how to do well, or should we step off into this black sea? And I think that we've just are at the surface of what's possible.